Hi, my name is Kunal Raj, and in this video I am going to demonstrate Web Technology Lab exercise number 6. So the first question of exercise 6 is to write a JavaScript code to display digital clock. So for writing, first of all we'll see the output. So this is the output of the digital clock as shown in the HTML page. So here you can see this is the hour part, minute and second part, and it is shown AM and PM. So now let's see the code. So first of all, as you can see in body I have written onload attribute. Inside onload attribute I have written display function. So as soon as the page is loaded, the display function in the script will be called. So in the script tag we can see display function. Inside display function I have created a object for date function. Here is the date, and I have created an object for d. Now I am creating three new variables h, m and s for hour, minutes and second respectively. Then I am getting d.get hours, d.get minutes and d.get second. If hour is greater than 12, I will concatenate time string as hour, minute, second and then pm. And if it is greater than 12, if it is less than 12, I'll concatenate am. So by this way I am showing the time in am and pm. At last I have created a span called time. In this span I am going to write or print the answer for the time by this line. And after doing all this, I am doing this set timeout function, calling set timeout function to call display function after every 1 second. Here I am giving 1000 milliseconds. Now next question. Next question is to write JavaScript code to change background color for every 30 seconds. So first let us see the output. Here is the second question, and here as you can see in every 30 seconds in every 1 second the background color is changing. So let us see the code now. First of all, in body tag again I have given onload equal to set background color. So as soon as the page loaded, the set background color will be called. Inside set background color in the script tag I have created three variables called red, blue and green. Then using math.floor I am creating random values from 0 to 255 to be assigned to red, blue, green, so that new color will be generated. Then I am concatenating color as RGB, red, green and blue, so that a color will be created using these three colors. Now I'm using this code document.body.style.background color to set as color, and then I'm displaying the color also, whichever color is printing. Like here you can see here the color is also displayed in this point. And at last I'm calling this whole function after every 2 seconds, 2000 milliseconds, yes. So as you can see here it's changing after every 2 seconds, it's not 1 second. Okay, now next question. Next question is create event handlers that will increase the font size when a mouse moves over a paragraph and decrease the size when the mouse moves off the paragraph. So whenever we move inside a paragraph, the size is supposed to increase, and whenever we moves out, the size is supposed to decrease. So as you can see here, some text are written which says move cursor over me to zoom in. If I move in, the size will increase, and which says the text will also be changed, and it says move cursor out to zoom out. So if I go out of this text, the size will zoom out. So let us see the code. So here first of all I have created a h1 tag for just displaying change font size. Then I have a p tag where initial text is move cursor over me to zoom in. Then whenever the mouse is over this text, this attribute will be called, and ink size function will be called. And whenever the mouse is out, on mouse out attribute will be invoked, and then dec size will be invoked. So in ink size, the style using document.getElementById, the style is I'm giving as font size as 28 pixel, and then inner HTML, that is the text which is to be displayed, I am giving as move cursor out to zoom out. Then in decrease size style I am giving as just decreasing the size by 10 pixels. So here font size is 18 pixel, and then the inner HTML I'm giving the text to be written as move cursor over me to zoom in. So let us see the next question now. Fourth question is, write a JavaScript code to move absolutely position car image when a user clicks over the move button. So as soon as we click the start button, the car is supposed to move forward, and when we click stop button, the car is supposed to stop at that place. So first of all, let us see the output. So here is the car. If I click start, the car is moving forward, and if I click stop, the car is stopped at the same place. Now let us see the code for that. So in body tag, I have just written an image tag which sources image PNG file which is placed in the same directory. Now two buttons are there, start and stop, and on click attribute is set to start and stop function. So whenever the start is button, this start button is clicked, start will be called and stop will be called if stop is clicked. Now inside script tag, I have created an object obj equal to document.getElementById image tag and 0. So this is the first image that should be taken. Of course only one image there, but this is the syntax for writing it. Now I am giving position, style position as relative, and then giving the left, I am assigning the left as 0 pixel, so that will be in the beginning. Now I am initializing n equal to 0. Now inside function start, I am just increasing n by 2. That is, the value should be from 0 it will be increased to 2. Now dot style, object dot style, I am giving margin left as increasing this n by nth number, the left margin will be increased. Now I am writing document.getElementById, the start function here, and then just replacing the start button with accelerate, because when we click start, button will be here. If you click this, the speed will increase because the function set timeout is called again. Now in stop, I'm just writing start, just clearing the timeout using clear timeout function, and then x equal to null. Now let us see the next question. Here we have to create two property value like this, 3 property value for students. So here a name, register number, and year of birth we need to store, and then we have to print like this: John's register number is, this is the format, and then we have to print 2 values: whoever date of birth is before 2000 we have to categorize, and who is after 2000. So these 2 category will be there. So first let us see the output. Here the first given format is printed, students 1 register number is 001, like that it's printed, and whoever date of birth is less than 2000, the data is printed, and whoever but the date of birth is more than 2000, the data is printed. So it all done in the code. Now I'm creating student as like this. So first of all, where students, then I'm giving 3 values: their name, register number, and year of birth. Then using a comma, I'm giving the next set of values. Then like that I'm giving 4 set of values. Here I'm running a for loop up to the length of the students. So student is the name of the object here. Now I'm just concatenating tag here, as you can see tag, using inner HTML, and I'm just printing names, register number is student SI register number. Then whoever birth is less than 2000, their value will be printed on a different tag like year 1, and whoever is more than 2000 will be printed on a different tag like year 2. Both the tags I have created here using division tag. So this is all. Thank you for watching.